Hi everyone, this is another edition of Kenneken's Let's Get the Job Done, and today I am using this Hoover Dual Power Max carpet washer that I picked up at Walmart. And so I did already use it, but I'm going to show you guys how to use it on this little hallway area here. Basically, I did this room here, and you see some little carpet fibers on the carpet. Even though I vacuumed ahead of time, it still picked up carpet fibers. So they do recommend, obviously, to vacuum after it dries. So that's what I will do. But right now, I'm just going to grab this canister right here and take it out and go fill it up with solution and some water. Here we go. So basically, we just fill it up with some Revive and Renew. This is one of their more powerful solutions, and I will be putting in 3 ounces for this whole container. But I think I'm going to just do half because I'm just going to do that little hallway right there. So we'll put in about 1.5 ounces and then a half of that of water, and then I'll see you in a little bit.